Welcome to this quick web development project. Today we'll be building a simple but powerful FAQ toggle section using only HTML, CSS, and JS. This kind of component is perfect for websites that want to organize information clearly, like support pages, portfolios, or product sites. We'll go step by step to create a smooth modern design that's interactive, lightweight, and easy to customize. In this video, we're creating a clean and interactive FAQ toggle section using pure HTML, CSS, and JS. This feature is one of the most common elements you'll see on websites. It helps organize information and improves the user experience by allowing visitors to reveal answers only when they want to. The structure starts simple, with a container that holds multiple question-answer pairs. Each question acts as a clickable element, and the answers are hidden by default. With just a few lines of CSS, we add style and smooth animations, giving the cards rounded corners, drop shadows, and transition effects that make expanding and collapsing feel natural. The color contrast and spacing also make the design modern and easy to read. The JS part handles the interaction. Each question listens for a click event, and when it's clicked, it toggles an active class that smoothly reveals or hides the answer beneath it. It's a small feature, but it demonstrates a key concept in front-end development: how structure, style, and interactivity come together to create a clean, user-friendly experience. Whether you're building a product help section, a portfolio Q&A, or a customer support page, this FAQ toggle is a perfect addition that keeps your content simple, organized, and engaging. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.